The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright viewers and subscribers, I don't know, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Again now, look. There is a very short video clip circulating on social media that shows of a police officer smacking a lady that's in front of a whole crowd of people. You know what I'm saying to you? And it seems as if there was some form of rioting or something that did not go on. You see me? Now, I have the longer version to this video to show you right now, so that you can get a better understanding as to what really take place. You know me? Because it only shows when the police officer hit the lady, and social media have this to say that this is police brutality. You get what I'm saying to you? That's what they're saying, it's police brutality. No, me I go show you the video, right? And I just want to remember now, you have to really listen what some of the persons are saying in the background. You know what I mean? As well as you look and do this thing with an open mind, because some persons might just depend and say, yo, police is wrong, police is wrong. No, and I'm not defending anyone at all, but I'm saying to you that you need to look at this with an open mind. Alright. Now, there is no confirmation as to why this thing happened, you know, this incident, and there is no confirmation as to where it happened. You know what I mean? But it is on social media, and they are saying that this is police brutality, and this is why I'm presenting to you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me if you think that this is police brutality or it is not. So I am going to show you this video right about now, where you have the piece that is circulating on social media mostly, and the other piece that is kind of the missing piece. So I just put them together so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can have a better understanding. Now, I am going to show you the video, but before I present this video to you, I have to warn you that the following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, and if you like how I present my videos to you, don't be afraid to let me know about that in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, observe.